Namaste and welcome to the Mahabodhi Tree News Bulletin. I'm Srishti.
And I'm Shashwat. Let's take you to the major events and activities and achievements that happened in the Mahabodhi Tree campus. Gold in SGFI Under 17 Basketball Tournament.
Beginning with the athletic achievements, we have home the gold medal brought by the Under 17 basketball team of Mahabodhi Tree School. The name of the coiners are Pritam, Bhumil, Sahitya, Manav, Imran, Aryan and Kashim.
The team showcased exceptional discipline and coordination throughout the tournament, placing our school at the topmost leaderboard of the Gaya district.
State level selection for Ritesh Kumar.
In another proud moment, a student of grade 8, Ritesh Kumar, has been selected for state level SGFI Under 17 volleyball tournament.
His performance has earned him a well-deserved place among the best young athletes in the state. Congratulations to Ritesh on this remarkable achievement. Moving on next, we have silver in Under 14 Volleyball District Championship. Ravi, Ritesh, Prabhakar, Prince, Adarsh and Ayush, they secured second position at the SGFI District Championship.
The team's consistent effort and strategic gameplay earned them silver medal, adding another accolade to the growing list of athletics achievement.
Friendly basketball match with Army Public School.
The Mahabodhi Tree also hosted a friendly basketball match with the Army Public School.
It showed the presence of sportsmanship and unity as both teams competed with enthusiasm and mutual respect. The event strengthened the inter-school bonding and promoted healthy competition. Upcoming, we also have the Athletic Gaya District Championship 2025-26 in which our schools under 10s and 12s won 21 medals, out of which 10 gold, 6 silver and 5 bronzes were there. A heartiest congratulations to all the youngsters.
Coming in at the school's cultural achievement, Maharana Pratap Jayanti.
On the cultural front, our school organized a grand celebration on the occasion of Maharana Pratap Jayanti.
Students delivered presentation, speeches and performances honoring the legacy and bravery of Maharana Pratap. This event served as a reminder of India's rich historical heritage.
Waste Management Workshop by IIM Bodhgaya interns.
On 2nd May 2025, our school Mahabodhi Tree collaborated with the Grand India Foundation and IIM Bodhgaya interns to conduct the workshop on waste management.
The session focused on recycling practices, waste segregation and environmental sustainability, which is crucial for students to build a greener future.
Ananya Bharat 2025, a cultural extravaganza.
One of the most school-anticipated event, Ananya Bharat 2025 was successfully celebrated on 23rd February 2025.
This annual function showcased India's rich historical diversity through performances, music and dance, highlighting the creativity, talent and elegance of our students. November Celebration 2025.
Next, we have November, which was celebrated in this campus on the second last day of the November month. The workshop encouraged the healthy lifestyle of males. Weekly Wednesday activities.
As part of the school's commitment to holistic development, students participate in a range of co-curricular activities every Wednesday.
These sessions include art, sports, music, yoga and adult skill-oriented programs that foster creativity, confidence and personal growth. Now we have the best assembly of the year that was conducted in the month of October by batch 11 and 12, and the theme mainly focused on Chhath Puja and Air Force Day.
The best performer of the year goes to Miss Khushbu. Under her guidance, the students were found to be more influenced, disciplined and followed the school campus policy of English language.
The most recent update from the Mahabodhi Tree School, we have our under 17 boys, Pritam, Kashim, Manav and Sahitya, who played for the Gaya district team and have won the gold medals. Congratulations to all of the players. These were the top highlights from the Mahabodhi Tree School, where education is complemented by excellence in sports, culture and community engagement.
We congratulate all the students, teachers and organizers for adding their outstanding contribution. Thank you for joining us.
Stay informed, stay inspired.
This is Mahabodhi Tree News signing off.
Stay connected and join us at the Mahabodhi Tree School.